And we are back. It's Friday. There should be some new plants, so let's go and see what they've left for me today. Here we go. All right. Now, I know for yous watching every day, they do look almost identical. These ones have slightly redder leaves at the top. Now, they are all proteas, of course. That's what we're doing at the moment. So yesterday, we did pink pride. These are pink Z or pink ice, but they're proteas. Each flower is slightly different shades. So these are, see, I don't know, what does that say? Pink ice or pink Z? But yeah, proteas. No pranks today, that's good. Boys have nearly finished. All right, I'm busy, let's go.